Alright, we're recording the sewer line here at 3228 Northeast, forgive me here, 86th Street. We're about 70 feet out right now, maybe a little further. The concrete pipes we're looking at, we're going to pull back from here and try to get a good look at it. I'm having a little issues with the camera, but let's pull back for and see what we got here. There's two breaks I'm hoping to be able to see. There we go. Go in. So here's one of the breaks. The pipe is separated at the bottom here. You see the pipe's gone. That's causing sewage to back up right there. We're going to come back further, and you're going to see a second one. You also notice the top half of the pipe, that is where water has not been going. Nice and smooth concrete. The bottom half is where it stopped there. There's break number 2. So we separated both times there. Somebody in the house just flushed, so we're going to see a flush go by in a second. But we're going to pull back further from there. Concrete's rough on the bottom, slowing down the sewage as it goes. That compounded with those two breaks, sewage basically is stopping in that area and forming a large clog. There's whoever flushed the toilet there, it just went on by. So there's a toilet's flush of water going down. A leaf. So there's build-up toilet paper on the right side of the pipe. That built up from the clog that's been occurring for some time now. Back into plastic. Hold on. Go in. So right there, going from plastic to concrete. That's the old pipe coming into the repair. This was a repair done in the driveway some years ago. Come back. Keep coming, keep coming. Somebody's running water. So we're back in old concrete again. So this is getting closer back towards where this clean out is in the backyard. And we're going to come into another new section of pipe. See how rough this concrete is. The camera has a tough time even scraping through. Coming, so we'll be coming back into plastic here very shortly. Boom, into plastic pipe. Yep, plastic pipe, and that was a little bit of leaves built up. We'll flush those down here, and we're out. Technician Casey today.